Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use markers in DaVinci Resolve. Markers are incredibly useful tools for organizing your projects and highlighting key moments. They allow you to quickly pinpoint specific sections, whether for editing, sound design, or visual effects. You can place them on individual clips or across your entire timeline, making your workflow much more efficient and collaborative. Let's dive into how to add and customize them. Adding a marker is super simple. Just press the M key on your keyboard at the desired spot. This places a default marker. To customize it, double-click the marker to open its details window. Here, you can assign one of 8 distinct colors, give it a descriptive name, and add comprehensive notes. You can also set a duration, transforming it into a range marker for specific sections. Once you have several markers, navigating them is a breeze. Simply use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to jump directly from one marker to the next, saving you precious time. For a comprehensive overview, open the Markers window, which lists every marker in your project. This feature is especially helpful for team collaboration, allowing everyone to quickly understand project notes and review points. Beyond basic placement, markers offer advanced functionalities. You can easily convert a point marker into a duration marker by simply dragging its edges, defining a specific time range. For external collaboration, export your marker list as a CSV file, allowing others to review notes outside DaVinci Resolve. Furthermore, markers can precisely define render ranges, ensuring you export only the necessary sections of your project.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.